everyone, Chelsea here from Blondies. On today's little episode, I'm going to talk about the smoky eye. I just did more of a soft smoky eye. We're going to be doing it for beginners today so you can practice at home, and just to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how simple and easy with practice, nothing comes easy, but just with practice, on how to do the smoky eye. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is the eyeshadow primer, and I'm using Urban Decay. So I'm just going to add a little bit on the eyes, and then I'm going to take my brush and blend it in. Once it's blended in, the next step is to use a light eyeshadow. I'm going to use it onto the brow bone here. Right after that, I'm going to use my little black beauty book. Yes, ladies. And it's going to be a light gray eyeshadow. You're just going to tap a little bit and blend in the corner. You're just going to do it on the other eye here as well. Anything you do on one side, you do on the other at the same time. Make sure that you take your time with it as well. Next, I'm going to be using a contouring dark color. Now you can use a blush if you like. I like to use the NARS contouring palette, and I'm just going to do it in the corner and in the crease here, just to give a little bit more depth. Next is the black eyeshadow. Yes, black eyeshadow. Oh, there we go, that worked. And you're going to lightly just create a line. You can create it a bit thicker if you like. And then you're going to pull it out into the corner. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just need sort of the dark line just to, so for that we can just to start using the Q-tip here and then smudging upwards. This is going to create the effect of the smoky eye just by using the Q-tip and pushing it upwards into the corner. Got the Q-tip again here, and we're just going to do the same thing on this eye. Oh, now we got the black. Yes, the black. And we're just going to put it in the corner here as well. Just lightly tap and blend. It doesn't matter if you make a mess. It'll all be cleaned up in the end. Now we're going to use the same gray eyeshadow, and we're just going to put it underneath the eye. I don't really like to use a dark color underneath the eye to make it too intense. You can if you like, but for today I'm just going to use a light gray. Now I'm going to use a concealer to clean up the sides. I love doing this part. So you just add a little bit in the corner on each eye, as you can see. Oh, and bam! Let's use the Beauty Blender and just lightly remove the excess dark. As you can see, it just does a perfect line. And the same thing on the other side as well. Now we're going to use the concealer again here, and we're just going to put it on the eyelid. You just add a little bit in the corners on each eye.
And then you're gonna blend it only halfway. Once that's done, we're gonna highlight the brows and the inner part of the eye here. So you just happily light the brow bone here. And in the corners as well. And then the last step is the mascara. I like to slowly work my way in with the mascara just to create the eyelashes to be thicker, and then do the little guys underneath too. You can't forget those ones. Now we're gonna do the translucent powder. I like to do this in the end just to remove any dark that's underneath the eye here. And it just does like a flawless look. As you can see, it just makes everything look perfect. Well, there we go. Yep.
Alright, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Please feel free to click on the like button just down below here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it'll update you on when I upload my new video. Anyways, have a good rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!